Hello everyone, what I'm going to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here at the shop, so relax, we're almost there. When your Honda shows the shift to park message, it's basically saying, hey, I'm not sure you're actually in park, so I'm not going to turn off the engine until you confirm it. It sounds a bit dramatic, but really, it's just the system making sure everything is safe before you get out of the car. Mechanics agree that this message is more preventive than a serious failure, though it can be pretty annoying if it shows up frequently. One of the most common causes is the transmission position sensor. This sensor tells the computer that the shifter is in park, and if it's worn or misaligned, the car might think you're not, even though you physically are. Many say that replacing or adjusting this sensor usually makes the message disappear and restores normal operation. But it's not always the sensor's fault. Often the message appears because the connectors or wiring around the sensor are loose or dirty. Small bumps, vibrations, or maintenance work can affect these connections. Cleaning and securing the connectors has solved the problem for many, avoiding unnecessary parts replacement. Another detail mechanics mention is that a weak battery or unstable voltage can confuse the system. When the electronic modules don't get clear signals, they can display false warnings. Cleaning the battery terminals or making sure the battery is in good condition sometimes clears the message without touching anything else. In some cases, the issue may be in the powertrain control module, which misinterprets the sensor signal. Advanced diagnostic tools can show error codes that can be cleared, and after a start-stop cycle, the system reads the park position correctly again. It can also happen that the message only appears briefly after disconnecting the battery or doing electrical work, disappearing after driving a short distance so the system can recalibrate.